Welcome to the Weather Centre on Thursday, where it'll be a warm to hot afternoon over much of South Africa. Isolated to scattered thundershowers are forecast over the central, northeastern and eastern interior, with a few of those thundershowers extending all the way through to the Eastern Cape coastline, where we can expect a hot Thursday. It'll be a hot, dry and windy day over the western and central interior, with cloud building up along the west coast throughout the day, and that's ahead of a cold front which arrives on Thursday night, and it brings in some light evening rainfall over the southwestern part of the country. You'll see a high fire danger warning over the central, western and southern interior on Thursday, with a watch for the possibility of severe thunderstorm development, and that affects Gauteng, parts of Mpumalanga, the eastern Free State and the northwestern part of KwaZulu-Natal. Our rainfall probability map shows a large area of isolated thundershowers across South Africa on Thursday, and that's mainly over the eastern half of the country, with scattered thunderstorms over the eastern part of the Free State as well as into Mpumalanga, and you'll see the possibility of light evening rainfall over the southwestern part of South Africa. A maximum temperature of around 30 is forecast for Gauteng, with highs in the low and middle 30s for the northwest, just shy of 30 degrees with a warmer day for Mbombela, 28 for Polokwane and Bethlehem. Bloemfontein at 35 degrees with a sizzling hot day over the interior part of the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal, where maximum temperatures peak in the low and middle 30s. We're forecasting a strong southwesterly wind for Port Elizabeth at 25, with a strong northeasterly wind as we head up the east coast. A maximum of around 30 is expected for Durban, Richards Bay and East London, with a 2.5 metre east-northeasterly swell along the east coast. Scorching hot for Kraaifontein and Somerset East, both in the upper 30s, with the maximum temperature of around 30 degrees for Worcester and Robertson, Fredenal at 27. A moderate northwesterly wind is forecast for False Bay, with a high of 20 degrees for Muizenberg. A fresh southwestern, a high of 23 is forecast for Mossel Bay and Plettenberg Bay. Jeffreys Bay topping 24 with a strong southwesterly wind and a 2 metre easterly swell along the south coast. Uppington and Presco both top 38 on Thursday afternoon, with Carnarvon, De Aar and Colesberg all in the mid-30s. Along the west coast, we're expecting cooler weather on Thursday, 22 for Cape Town and Longabon with a moderate northwesterly wind, and you'll see a moderate south-southwester for Alexander Bay at 21 degrees with a 1.5 metre southwesterly swell along the west coast. On Friday, thundershowers continue over the central and northeastern part of South Africa and extend all the way through to the east coast. You'll also see some light morning rainfall for Cape Town with a maximum temperature of 21 degrees with cooler weather and rain in the forecast for George at 18. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a lovely Thursday.